The question always is with Saudi Aramco is the timeline. And I've said on the show before, spare capacity is what you can bring on in 30 days and keep on for 90 days.
That's why I pressed him on the time.
Right,
How
the
fast,
timeline is the important factor here. And so, yes, in theory, they can ramp up to 12, but can they make up for a shortfall, from the Iran sanctions, from Venezuela continuing to collapse? And what if another producer goes offline? That's why he stressed the issue of what we have in storage as well.
Because the OPEC deal that you were in Austria, we were in Austria,
yes.
The OPEC deal effectively says it kind of hamstrings Aramco in a way, right? I mean, even if they could, they've got to make sure other producers in OPEC get their fair share as well, do they not?
Well, they're still under a quota arrangement, but Khaled Al-Faleh, the oil minister, said multiple times that week in Vienna, consensus is nice, but not required. Saudi Aramco is prepared to act alone if necessary. So I think that's what's really important. The Saudis want consensus, but they will make their own decisions in terms of production.
They're caught between an OPEC and a hard place. In some ways, they've got their OPEC.
Trump place.
Well, I should have said exactly yes. Trump place, exactly. They got the White House putting pressure on them on what? Hey, jack up production, keep gasoline prices low. On the other hand, some of the OPEC partners are saying, we can't ramp up production. And by the way, we're a cartel and we have a deal.
Well, yeah, you have other producers saying you should be bound by the agreement, those with an OPEC. But you also have a situation where production is going to fall in one producer because of a policy put in place by the White House. And so you have a situation where the Saudis are being asked to make up for a shortfall that is in part policy induced. This is the real challenge for the market right now. The market will tighten by year end.